In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change contact to supplier in Xero. Let's start inside Xero. From your dashboard, head to Contacts. This is your central hub for every company or person you trade with. Open the customer's view to find the contact you're working with. Even if they currently appear as a customer, that's perfectly fine. In Xero, a contact isn't permanently locked as either a customer or a supplier. Instead, their role is driven by how you use them in your transactions. That means the same contact can be a customer when you issue a sales invoice and a supplier when you record a bill you need to pay. To treat a contact as a supplier, you don't need to rename or convert anything. Simply create a new bill and select that contact on the bill. However you usually create bills in your workflow, the key action is the same. Add the contact to the bill header, enter the bill details you need, and save. You can save as a draft or approve it. Either way, Xero recognizes that this contact now has a purchase transaction associated with them. The moment you do this, Xero classifies the contact as a supplier for reporting and lists. Here's the important concept to remember. Xero defines a contact's role by usage, not by the contact's name or an isolated label. Because of that, there's no need to keep duplicate contacts for the same business, one for sales and another for purchases. Use the single contact consistently, and Xero will show them in the right places, such as your customer's view when you issue invoices and your supplier's related views when you enter bills. This makes your records cleaner, reduces confusion, and helps with accurate reporting across both sales and purchases. After you've added that bill, you can return to Contacts and search for the same contact. You'll see their activity now reflects both sides, showing they can supply you as well as buy from you if applicable. If you regularly buy from this contact, you can keep using them on new bills, and Xero will continue treating them as a supplier. If you also sell to them, that's fine. Xero will handle both roles automatically. That's it. Go to Xero, open Contacts, find the contact in Customers, create a bill using that contact, and let Xero do the classification for you. Remember, it's all about how you use the contact in transactions. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!